Choosing siding for your Minnesota home? Anchor Roofing and Exteriors can help. Siding does more than change the color of a home. It affects how the exterior comes together, how it performs through Minnesota weather, and how much maintenance it may require over time. Different siding materials offer different advantages in appearance, durability, upkeep, and cost. When homeowners are considering premium siding, two of the most recognized options are James Hardie and LP SmartSide, each with its own material, look, and performance advantages. James Hardie is a fiber cement siding known for clean architectural lines, durability, and resistance to moisture, fire, and pests, with styles suited to both traditional and modern homes. LP SmartSide combines the look of traditional wood with engineered resistance to moisture, impact, and changing weather. Its profiles, colors, and pre-finished options work across traditional and modern homes. Anchor also installs steel, vinyl, cedar, and other siding systems. Whatever you choose, our experienced exterior contractors focus on proper preparation, flashing, trim, and clean transitions around windows, roofing, and gutters. Anchor Roofing and Exteriors is an LP SmartSide Pro installer and a certified James Hardie siding contractor, backed by a 5-star Google rating and an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau for siding replacement, exterior renovations, and new construction across Minneapolis, St. Paul, and the Twin Cities. Talk with Anchor Roofing and Exteriors. 5-star service, certified expertise, no pressure.